2024 is a leap year, as February has 29 days. Leap year occurs in the years that are multiples of 4, except for those years that are evenly divided by 100 but not 400. From the year you were born till now, which year were leap years? So this is a bit personal, but I'll consider you were born, just for the sake of it, in 2010. Now, leap year R. So what is the number which is divisible by 4 and greater than 2010? What is the first number? 2012, right? 12 is divisible by 4, and so 2012 will be divisible by 4. And the next year will be 2016, 2020, 2024 itself, and 2028. So on and so forth. Now, from the year 2024 till 2099, how many leap years are there? So my funda is always find the highest possible number in the series. So there's a bunch of numbers between these two numbers. What is the highest number which is a leap year? That's the question. Pause and think over. So the year, or let me write it this way, the last leap year closest to 2099 and lesser than 2099 is, yes, how do you figure it out? We'll divide 99. So 2 is a 1 is the remainder, and we have 19, and then we have, okay, this one is 4 is the 16, so 3 is the remainder. So basically 2099 minus 3, that is year 2096 is the last leap year. Or let me not make it too complicated. We already written the required statement. So 2024 itself is a leap year that we counted. So 2096. So how many leap years will be there? The years between 2096 and 2024, including 2096. How do you find this? How many years are there? So what should we do? Subtract. As simple as that. So if I subtract, I'll get a number which will count the number of years from 2024, not including 2024, to 2096, including 2096. So the difference is 72. Okay, yes, I'll explain this, what I mean. When I subtract 6 from 10, I'll get 4. That is basically 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10 is what I've included. So there are 4 numbers from 6 to 10, including 10. So when I subtract this 2, by default, 2096 is included. This point is important, while is not included, right? So when I subtract 6 from 10, 6 is not included. 6 is not part of the group. The count starts from 7, 8, 9, 10, 4. So this is important. Now, how many leap years will be there in 72 years? How do you find that? Number of leap years in 72 years will be 72 divided by 4. So that will be 18. 18 4s is 72. Yeah, correct. Now, these are the number of years that is not including 2024. So we need to include it. Remember, we need to make it part of the sequence as well. To include 2024, we will add 1 to 18. There are 19 leap years from 2024 to 2099, including 2024. Okay, so this is how you go on doing it. It looks a bit complicated, so let me explain once more. See, first thing is we need to find the last year wherein it's a leap year. And from the first to the last, we need to figure out how many years are there. So within the 72 years, every fourth year is a leap year. So we have 18 years. But even 2024 itself is a leap year. 2024 itself is a leap year. So you need to add 1. Okay, so I'll repeat again. We figured out the last leap year that we'll get. That is 2096. And the first leap year in the sequence of 2024 to 2099 is 2024 itself. I didn't write the statement. I should have written that actually. Where is that? To include 2024. 2024, because this symbol is because 2024 itself is a leap year. So we need to include that. Okay, guys. So from 2024 to 2096, there are 72 years. So every 4 year is a leap year. So basically we're dividing with 4. There's a group of 18, 18 groups. So we have 18 years, but 2024, the starting point itself is part of itself is a leap year. So we'll add 1 and we have 19 years.